So I just created this beautiful sort of like high fashion and creative makeup look. There's one trending song which is happening in Instagram, and that song kind of like inspired me, and I just wanted to create some high fashion look. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this look and how I got this dewy makeup, keep on watching. I prep my skin off camera. I'm just using eyeshadow primer from NARS Cosmetics on my smile lines. This is one of my favorite tricks to do. Eyeshadow primer helps fill in the fine lines and foundation does not sink in. Use fingers to tap in the product. Next step, if you have dark circles and pigmentation near mouth area, use orange color corrector to neutralize that area. I have used Huda Beauty 4 Filter Color Corrector in the shade Mango. This product is really good, highly pigmented, lightweight, and little goes a long way. I have dry skin and I always look for foundation which is lightweight and provides full coverage at the same time. Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation is my current favorite. The foundation has silky, weightless texture that blends seamlessly into the skin, providing a natural radiant finish. The foundation has good staying power and it feels so thin and so lightweight on my skin. If you want to apply a thin layer of foundation yet full coverage on the face, use a flat brush to apply the foundation in thin layers. Then use a dense buffing brush to further blend the foundation. For eye base, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium 35N. I'm using a dry Real Technique sponge to blend the concealer. The reason I use dry beauty blender is because my eyelids are a bit dark and I want maximum coverage. When the beauty blender is damp, the added water can dilute the concealer, reducing its coverage and effectiveness. Next, I'm using Too Faced Italian Spirit eyeshadow palette. For the transition shade, I'm using Curly Coloni. For the outer V and inner corners, I'm using the shade Mamma Mia, creating a halo eyes effect. To give more depth in the inner corner and outer V, I'm using the shade Gelato. For the middle lid, I'm tapping in the pigment from Peaches and Cream to give a little smoky effect. I'm using Natasha Denona Glam Palette and adding the shade Lash Line near the lash line. Next, I'm going to brighten up my under eyes using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It may seem a lot, but trust me, once it's blended, it will feel light and even. Sometimes while blending the concealer, beauty blenders don't reach inner corners, so I use a concealer buffing brush to even it out. To set my under eyes, I'm using Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder. With the help of a brush, I'm applying a light layer of powder. Since Tarte Shape Tape is a self-setting concealer, I don't prefer to bake my under eyes because it feels heavy and cakey. When you apply setting powder under the eyes, always tap in the product and don't drag it, as dragging will lift up the concealer and leave patches under the eyes. For the rest of the face, I'm using the same powder with a fluffy brush and tapping in the product. Back to the eyes, I'm adding more dimension and depth by adding black eyeliner from Too Faced. I'm applying it in the waterline on top and bottom and then smudging it. If you want to get dewy glowy cheeks, you need to add a little bit of light setting powder and apply cream blush on the cheeks. The reason I do this is because if you directly apply cream blush on a non-powdered face, it will not stay and will move around. I'm using Rogue blushes. I am obsessed with these blushes so much. You can see my shorts. I have given a review on these products. I'm using flat brush from Sigma to add color and sculpt my face. Using a flat brush helps with precision and laying down the product. And once I'm done adding and getting the desired shape, I use a fluffy brush to add further color and blend. Next, I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Love this mascara a lot. It lengthens and adds volume to the lashes without the need of false lashes. Let's move on to the lips. I'm using a lip plumper from Too Faced because I want to make my lips look a little bit pouty. Next, I'm using lip liner from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Plum, and I'm adding a nude lipstick from Rare Beauty in the shade Worthy. To add more dewiness and glow, I'm using Danessa Myricks Dew Wet Balm only on the highest points of my face. Look at that glow! I don't like using any powder. I leave it as it is and it stays for a really long time. At the end, I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter Vitamin C Setting Spray all over my face.
We're running round in circles. Love feels so invincible. Feel you when there's no one around.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun creating this. So if you like me and if you like my look, subscribe, like, and please do write comments down below. I'm gonna bring more products and I'm gonna show you guys more techniques. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.